Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up savings trackers on the I Am Sober application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should tap on the progress button down below, which is the first option, and then click on the savings section at the top of the screen. There's the second section, and here you can see that you can set up savings trackers, which can tell you how much you saved for money, time, calories, and more. So tap on this button, and then you can turn on track money savings, and you can set how much money you've saved today. You can also do this with time. Then you can also do this with calories if it concerns you, and also custom. You can customize it. So if you are done, just simply tap on this arrow in the upper left corner and everything will be saved automatically, and you will be able to find it at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.